I travel all over the world and I always head into a local Indian restaurant, and the number one dish on the menu has got to be the tandoori chicken tikka. So I'm taking that dish straight from the restaurant into Sarah's table. So let's get started. First off, we've got our ingredients in front. I'm going to do a really quick marinade on the chicken first, just to tenderize and give it that little bit of a flavor burst. So we've got our chicken here, boneless chicken thighs. We've got a little bit of lemon juice, our ginger garlic paste, pinch of salt, and stir that one up. And you want to marinate this one for half an hour to an hour. And while that one's marinating, I'm going to make my second marinade. Now these are really simple methods to use. So I think sometimes, people can get overwhelmed with the amount of ingredients, but it's very quick and easy. Everything gets thrown into a bowl, stirred up, and it's ready for marinating. Now I'm going to try and take you through the Hindi and the English names of all these ingredients. We've got our Kashmiri chili powder, which is lal mirch. We've got our coriander powder, which is dhania. We have our turmeric, which is haldi, and our garam masala, which is same. And we have our kasuri methi, which is dried fenugreek. Some mustard oil, a green chili paste, and I'm going to throw all of those into the bowl with some hung curd. So our green chili paste, about a teaspoon. It's very spicy, that one. You can go all in with the coriander powder, just a tiny pinch of turmeric. Now you want to get that really beautiful red color, so we want to put in quite a lot of our Kashmiri red chili powder. It's not spicy, it's just there for the flavor and for the color as well. And our kasuri methi, garam masala, and a little bit of mustard oil. Now this, I have to say, it took me a little while to get used to the flavor of mustard oil, but it really does add another layer of fragrance and amazing flavor to the dish. So I recommend using that one. So there you have it. It's our beautiful marinade ready to go. Our chicken is just going to marinate for another 15-20 minutes, and I'm going to make a salad for you. So we are making a kachumber salad. So we've got some diced tomato, red onion, a little bit of jeera, which is cumin powder, and I'm going to chop up a cucumber as well. I think cumin is probably one of my favorite ingredients to use. It's just quite a subtle spice, but it just adds that little punch of flavor that you're looking for. I sometimes just put it on carrots and roast them in the oven and use them for just really simple elements of dishes like that. So in with your cumin powder, a little bit of lemon juice, and a pinch of salt. I think it's really nice to just do these very simple dressings. I think, we get caught up in buying these pre-made dressings, but they're just so simple to put together ourselves. So a little bit of oil. So now I'm going to pop my chicken into marinade. And if you like, you can put in a little bit of chili. I'll see how my taste buds go too. I love chili. It makes me cry, but the flavor is delicious. So if I start crying when I'm eating the dish, just forget about it. So now our chicken goes into the marinade. Stir that one up. So we have our grill pan ready. It's nice and piping hot. One of my favorite cooking methods in India has got to be the tandoor. It gives that beautiful, smoky, delicious flavor to all your dishes. And in Australia, it's a barbecue. So this is a perfect barbecue recipe. So if you don't have an oven at home or a barbecue or a tandoor in your kitchen, then you can always use a grill pan like I am today. And you want to cook this so it gets a beautiful charred lines across the chicken. This is such a family favorite, this one. My son absolutely loves it. If you want to impress all your friends, chicken tikka is the best. So you can see it's getting that beautiful color on the chicken. That's what we want to see. This is such a versatile marinade. You can use it for prawns, for fish, for paneer. The tandoori flavor is just so delicious. The chicken is perfect. It's cooked through, but it's still juicy, and we've got those really nice charred lines which give that extra bit of flavor to your chicken. And this chicken you can also use in a butter chicken. So this goes into the base curry. I'm gonna plate up now. I have some coriander chutney, coriander mint chutney. Pop this on. And we've got our beautiful salad. Place on my chicken pieces. This dish is perfect, it's so healthy. You've got your salad there, your protein. I really recommend adding this one into your repertoire. It's perfect for parties, weeknight meals, absolutely everything. Give it a go. For my Australian family, when you come to India, you have got to try tandoori chicken tikka. It's delicious, and I'm gonna try mine. Mazaa gaya. While I finish eating this, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to my channel for lots more Indian recipes coming your way.